What's good, you guys? For cornflakes poha, all you need is cornflakes, veggies, and a pan. That's it. Chopping session: chop your onions, capsicum, green hot chilies, and then your carrots. Topple your onions in the pan and add some oil, mustard seeds, teaspoon of jeera. Stir, 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 and then drop your carrots, capsicum. Mix a little bit before you add salt, turmeric, and black pepper. Spice it up with red chili powder and add on your green chilies. Mix well, add water and let it boil for 2 minutes. Open and check if the water has dried up and then pour your cornflakes directly inside the pan. Let it mingle with the veggies. Sprinkle it up with a bit of water until it's cooking. Try balancing the spatula on the lid, and when that's done, get your cornflakes moving to prevent it from overheating. Drop some coriander leaves on the top and your cornflakes poha is ready.